Hi everyone. So this is my 2D game called Zombie Hunt. It is simple. As you can see, there are only two instructions. The first one is to press space to jump, and the second one is to press enter to start. So I have developed this game using the languages HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And I have used this the main page to show my game. So this is the menu, and you can see the instructions and also the title of the game. So if you can press enter, the game will start. So let's see how will the game look after we press enter. Alright guys, so that was my game, and as you saw, the zombie will eat me after I knock to an obstacle. So you have to avoid the obstacles by jumping. Now let me show you the code of my game. Okay, so over here I have three files: index.html, style.css and JavaScript file, which is script.js. So in the index.html file, I have linked the style sheet, which is style.css, and the JavaScript file. And then I also put an icon by linking the icon image. So as you can see, these are the images that I have used in my game, and I have used several divs in my game to separately identify the things that I want to style. So over here, this is the first div that I have made to style my home page, and the next div that I have used is to style the game page, and the last div I have used to style the page that appears after the game ends. So I have given classes and IDs to each and every divs, and also I have given the onKeyUp function or the key event function, and I have linked it to JavaScript. So let me show you how I styled the CSS or style using CSS. So over here I have taken each and every classes that I gave to my divs and also other elements. Alright, so I have downloaded the font that I need for this game, which is suitable for this game, and I have linked it to every font family of this game. And using the main class, I have designed the home page or the game page, and I have hidden it since we need to look at the instruction page first. So as I press enter, you will be seeing the main page or the game page. I have done that using Java. So this is the JavaScript file that I used to create to link all the functions that I have used over here to the game. So over here, as you can see, I have first linked all the audios that I used for my game over here, and then I have created many functions and variables, as you can see. So these are the functions and the variables that I have already created. So first of all, I have created the onKey or the key event function, and I have set to play the music that I have used over there when I press enter or when I press any key. And over here I have set that when I press enter, the game page will begin to run, and then I have set many workers over here, and I have used set intervals to make those workers work or to make the functions work. So I have used if conditions over here, and I have use the space bar or the space key to link the jump part. So I have used that using this code lines. So whenever I press jump or whenever I press space, it will jump. And then I have created an element egg, which is the obstacle of my game, and then I have set that egg to move, and whenever it moves into the obstacle or it moves onto the obstacle, all the functions will stop. So I have used these code lines to code that. And as I said you earlier, whenever I press enter, the game screen will appear. I have used this code line to code that. And then I have used the round function to make my zombie and the person or the character run. And then I have the walk function to make the zombie run. And I have the jump function. And inside the jump function, I have if conditions to make run stop and start jump of the character. And then I have several if conditions to set the intervals or to make the functions work, which is the score and the background and the obstacles to move. So as you can see, I have increased each and every variables over here, and then I have linked it to the picture and also the score. So over here, this is the background picture, and using background position X, it will be moving towards the left side, the X direction. And then finally I have used two functions, which is dead and attack. Dead function will work when the character hits an obstacle, and attack function will work when the character hits the obstacle and when the zombie is going to eat the character. So I have used the function reload to reload the game, and that's it. So these are the code lines that I have used in JavaScript to make my game fun and creative. Thank you for listening.